this is going to be.
75 pounds, here is the Ultimate Warrior.
I don't see the Ultimate Warrior being worn down. I don't know if anyone in the world could do that, but we're going to find out in this match. There's the look of ferocity in the eyes of the Ultimate Warrior.
Can't quite get the count of three.
And I'm sure that's the first time in the Warrior's life somebody's broke him down.
To the outside, the Ultimate Warrior.
Well,
He'll take the battle to the outside, inside. It doesn't matter with this man.
Where's he getting this energy from?
Look at this, the Warrior's up.
They're both outside. And the Warrior has won the matchup. Obvious disqualification. I've got an interview to do.
The winner of this bout, as a result of the disqualification,